Lieutenant General Karanbir Singh Brar, Ati Vishishta Seva Medal, General Officer Commanding Dakshin Bharat Area, distinguished guests, ladies and gentlemen, a very warm good morning to you all. It's a matter of great pride for me to address the august gathering of the representatives from the various industries, the MSMEs, and the participants as well as the exhibitors of the second edition of the Defence Expo. I stand here to represent the Maintenance Command of the Indian Air Force. The Maintenance Command is located at Nagpur and looks after the various maintenance activities of all the equipment and the aircraft on the inventory of Indian Air Force. To name a few, these equipment include the airframes and aero engines of various aircraft, the arrestor barriers, the airfield support vehicles, the guided weapon systems, the radars, the communication systems, the aircraft testers, and so on. The list is very long. To achieve these maintenance activities, Air Force have established the base repair depots all across the country. Most of these systems are procured from abroad and are of various vintages. The issue which comes up over here is the suboptimal support of the spares by the OEM. To obviate this difficulty, Indian Air Force has adopted large-scale indigenization of the spares with the help of the industry. The capabilities as well as the expertise of the MSMEs and the small-scale industries have also grown tremendously in last few years thanks to the government's initiatives such as the Atmanirbhar Bharat and the Skill India. I am happy to inform you that around 65,000 spares have been indigenized with support of the industry and MSMEs in last few years by the Indian Air Force, which has led to the saving of around 100 crores annually. Now Indian Air Force has moved towards self-reliance and has opened a new platform for fast and transparent procurement of goods and services called the Other Capital Procurement Procedure. Through this OCPP route, the base repair depots are procuring latest machineries and equipment itself towards modernization, and this happens essentially through the GEN. Also, we are outsourcing the various services like the repair and overhaul of the equipment and is taken through this route. I urge the representatives from the industries as well as the MSMEs to visit our stalls and witness our requirements at the stalls. We will explain you and you can join us with in these projects. Further, I would like to thank the organizing committee for providing such a wonderful platform to us for showcasing Air Force requirements. The first edition of Defence Expo last year was a tremendous success, and there has been a very good participation from the MSMEs in achieving self-reliance, and they have contributed handsomely towards our efforts. I wish for the success of the second edition of the Defence Expo and look forward to joining hands with many more industries and MSMEs. Thank you. Jai Hind.